Here's an outing with a typical car club. The non-racing car fancier actually makes up quite a large segment of the hot rod population. Men, women, all ages. People who just enjoy owning, caring for a set of wheels that are different. Yes, ladies are welcome. Most welcome, provided they bring their own chamois. To really become an accepted member of a hot rod club and not stick out like a stock model at a rally, you gotta be willing to take a little grease under your fingernails, adopt a loving countenance, and develop a consistent sweeping motion with one of the arms, the one connected to the hand which is connected to the cloth which is always wiping that one more little spot away. Always got to get that one little spot off. A little bench racing? A little non-automobile conversation, if you please. Then at the end of a lazy summer's day, we'll take a leisurely ride home with the car club, drink in the satisfaction of a fella showing off the object of his affection. Good for a man's soul to have control of power on a lazy summer's day. Power!